I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Juke key fob battery, full guide. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery, plus a tray for parts. Remove any key covers or cases and lay the fob face down. Use the screwdriver gently to pry along the seam until the halves separate. Keep track of the tiny spring and buttons and handle the battery by the edges only. With the fob face down and tools ready, find the seam and insert the flathead screwdriver gently to create a small gap. Twist the screwdriver slowly to separate the two halves without forcing them apart. Once open, remove the rubber button pad and set it aside on your tray. Observe where the battery sits and how the spring connects so you can replace parts exactly as they were for proper function. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite shown here is great for storing manuals and quick reference when working on cars. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Your support really helps the channel and keeps videos coming. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully lift out the old battery using the screwdriver edge, avoiding touching terminals with your fingers. Place the new CR2032 into the compartment matching the original orientation so the positive side aligns correctly. Reposition the rubber pad and spring, then snap the two halves together until you hear clicks. Press each button to confirm responsiveness and test the lock and unlock functions from a short distance to ensure everything works smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.